Vecverse is an innovative technology company dedicated to the digital transformation of life science and medical laboratory scenarios. Our goal is clear: become an explorer of self-driven laboratory robots and intelligent agents. What we focus on is not a single piece of equipment or a single workstation, but how the entire laboratory can transition from being human-driven to system-driven. The target laboratory of Vecverse focuses on the life sciences sector, encompassing research, clinical, pharmaceutical, testing, and automated laboratories. Approximately 70% of laboratory work is concentrated in the sample preparation stage and is primarily completed manually. Automated assembly lines, however, often only appear after the equipment is installed. If the front end is still handled by humans while the back end is automated, the system cannot truly be stable. Step 1. Pipetting robot. One of the core operations in sample pretreatment is pipetting. Vecverse start here to transform your pipette into a true pipetting robot. Through electrification and intelligent automation, pipetting transitions from human-dependent execution to system-driven, stable completion. This marks the first cornerstone of the self-driven laboratory. Step 2. Robot stacking robot. Pipetting robots cannot solve all problems because pipetting itself still requires arms and space. Therefore, the technology further builds compact workstations equipped with perception and judgment capabilities, transforming it into another robot. Here, it is no longer about human-machine collaboration, but rather robot-to-robot collaboration. Pipetting robots and workstation robots can communicate with each other and collaborate to execute tasks. Establish a continuous, automated experimental workflow. This is robot stacking robots. Step 3. Modularization and swarm intelligence. When multiple robots can work together, the next step is to systematize the process. The technology also built an embeddable intelligent brain. Shuxin number 1. Enable different devices and robots to connect to the same system. Each unit can operate independently or participate as part of a whole in collaborative efforts. Ultimately, laboratories will no longer be collections of standalone devices, but rather collective robotic systems. Vecverse believes that future life science laboratories should not remain in a state of heavy reliance on manual labor. True intelligence lies not in adding equipment, but in transforming operational methods. Vecverse is exploring the future form of self-driven laboratories.